Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review the Ativa. So let's start with the engine. The Ativa comes with 1.0 turbocharged engine. It's a CVT engine. Okay, let's go into driving seat. Okay guys, this is just a brief review. I think there's a lot of review on the Ativa 2025. So we are just going to look into why should we buy this car. Okay, Ativa. Okay, so let's start the engine. Okay, first single press. Okay, let all the electronics on first. Okay, then you press the brake and start the engine. So in the car itself, we can see this is a electronic electronic aircon. Okay, and it comes with a very basic media player. Comes with Bluetooth, has HDMI, two double Type C port, one 12-volt socket here, 120 watts. Okay, beautiful gearbox. Okay, you can see your central locking here, off and on. Okay, quite a decent armrest here. Everything is plastic guys. Okay, there's no soft touch except for the leather steering. So the Ativa starts with 62,000. Okay, that's the X model. Advanced models are AV models is from there's one in 70,000, another one 75,000. So the 75,000 one is dual tone, on top black, the car down white. Okay, so this is the advanced version, 70,000 on the road price. So it comes with leather seat with some fabric in the middle. Okay, the side here is fabric. This is all leather. Okay, full keyless entry. Okay, it comes with full ADA system. Okay, it has line assist. Okay, swing mirror, and also if the car behind you can't see, it'll signal you. Everything is there. That means full security system. And this is a SUV guys. So if you are driving for long distance, best car to buy if you are driving for long distance. Okay, your sitting position, everything is superb. Okay, what is the I think drawback for this car is this the car engine stops each time you brake in the traffic light, and there's no way to off it. Okay, each time you have to press the A button here. Okay, you can see the engine start stop button. It saves fuel, but sometimes it's very irritating. So far I think that's the only drawback of the Ativa. Other than that, it's a beautiful car. They have all the accessories here. Okay, cup holders, everything is there. This car comes with 6 airbags. Okay, talking about the engine again, it is a CVT engine. This is 1.0 turbocharged engine. Okay, the fuel, I think if you pour 60 ringgit, it's full tank, 50 to 60 ringgit, and it gives you about 400 to 500 kilometers, depending you're driving in eco mode or sport mode. Okay, so it's all on the driving. Okay guys, I've linked in all the accessories in the description. Okay, must have accessories guys for this car mat, phone holder. So you can just check it out if you're going to purchase. Okay, and tell me what you think about this Ativa 2025 in your comments. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe the channel.